This is an AquaSpa 30 setting 3-way shower head. It has a handheld thingy, a lower bracket bonus. I wanted to buy it at Walmart, but they won't ship it to me. It's also available on Amazon. $40 is pretty cheap, and I don't feel like driving all the way down to Home Depot. And so I tried eBay, and they're willing to ship it. And I did a best offer for $40. So here it is. Thank you, Showers Depot. Shout out to them. Came shipped with this. That's it. Comes with this thing, just what I need, 2 shower heads, and the bracket over here. On the other side is a picture of it. Pretty simple and straightforward. Let me go open this up. So I'm going to open this thing up. And so it's not as a polished nickel or whatever as it seems. It's pretty smooth. Slightly. What's it called? The nickel finish is very light. You can see over here. Here's the handle. Looks pretty good. No issues with it. There's this, it's actually a suction cup, in case those are curious, which is fine. Makes installation a lot easier. Hopefully it doesn't fall off too easily. This is actually the main part I need. Ours broke on an existing 2-way. I'm guessing this is for the suction cup, if you want to apply it on. And this set does include Teflon tape. And there's the washer and stuff. Hopefully it lasts longer than the last set I bought. See over here. These are the washers and the instruction manual. Really quick and easy. This is my old shower head. What I really need just to replace this is this middle part over here, because this still works and this still works, but it's pretty grimy. You can see I don't feel like cleaning it, so just gonna replace it, and I'll show you how it leaks. You can see the water deposits over here. See, it's leaking pretty easily. So I'm going to take that off. Leaks from over here too. I should probably just replace this, and I could still use all this other stuff, but like I said, just easier to replace the whole thing. So that's my problem. This costs around $25 for this set, I think. And I bought it off of Staples on a sale, but it just didn't last. I've had this for 7 years, 8 years, maybe less, maybe 6 years, I don't know. What it wants me to do first is It needs to be like this. You can see there's the lock thingy. You want me to screw this into this thing first? And see, not, don't do it too tight. So it's there. Then I'm going to screw this into this, but I'll need to also put this extra one over here just in case, maybe. So we'll see. Just put it into this. That's what the picture shows, so I'm just copying it.
There by locking it in this position.
So
Screw shower head.
I don't want to do it too tight, of course. So this is as tight as I'm going to do it for now. And then they want me to screw the back one down. This back piece down.
Until it's pressed.
Pressed against it.
Yes.
So I guess that's it.
Pressed against the diverter. Right?
Yeah, I hope so. So now I'm going to put on the shower head, which I left down here.
Thereby locking it in this position.
So I just put that in and I screw it in and then I'll test it.
Did you put a washer in there?
It didn't come with any extra washer, I don't think. So push it through and screw it.
Are you sure? With a single layer, line it inner thread facing. Thick washer and put onto the shower.
So far it's not leaking. I don't see any leaks, so I think I'm going to proceed. Okay, the last part now is to screw the hoses on. So I put in the washers already. I'm going to do this one first, the handle. And then I'm going to do the bottom piece. I don't know how tight I need to do it, but it seems okay. I'm going to do this side. Easy peasy. And then I need to, that's what they say in all my videos. So I just need to attach this. So you probably don't need to see that. I'm just going to attach it and then we're going to test it out. Try not to do it too hard. So I just hand tighten this with one hand until it's tight enough. Here it is. My wife was not impressed because this is the same old design that we had before. But there you go. Look at the magic. Okay, now turn it on. It's working. Doesn't seem to be leaking. That's the whole most important part, obviously. And then I'm gonna switch this thing off. To the next setting. And you can see it's not leaking down here, which is the most important part. And finally, it's nice water. Just trying to get to the middle setting where it's just all that. To see if the pressure will cause it to have water come out, but it looks good so far. It's not, like I said, the nickel finish isn't super nickel. Like you can barely tell. It's very subtle. Hopefully my wife is okay with that. And I think I'm done. Super easy install. Last thing I'm going to show you is the attachment that was included with the set here. It just goes on and you just flip it down, it'll tighten, and that's it. I didn't do a good job, but that's all you do. And then it comes with another piece that glues on. That would stick on pretty hard, but for now I'm just going to use it like this until my wife complains.